Alright, back in the garage. I got lots of work planned for this track monster. I'm gonna start by removing the firewall. So let's dive right in and get to work. You can see the air chisel works really good for stuff like this. So the new firewall is going to connect to the plates I made for the floor, and then they're obviously going to connect to the cab. It's going to look really good. I think having my firewall attached to this seam is going to make it look a lot better than just having it sort of shaved and flat. It'll add a little dimension. Now I have my basic outline for the firewall. I'll have to trim for the intake, but that's going to be no problem. I'm going to remove this eyesore, I'll cut out the rust and put a patch. The rust is going away piece by piece, the cab is getting stronger, it's looking a lot better. I've decided I'm going to use the original dashboard, but I'm going to take an inch out just so it looks a little less bulky. And all this center part is going to be removed. The face will be aluminum. I have the side panels done for my transmission tunnel. But I ran out of metal, so I'm gonna have to go get some more. I'm pretty pumped with the progress on the 68 lately. My vision's coming to life. What drives me to keep going is imagining that first start. It just puts a smile on my face. I can't wait. And speaking of first start, my wiring harness is taking shape. Let me know if you want to see a video on how to make a standalone LS harness. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.